Check out the scenery here today, man. 6 o'clock in the morning. We're out here with the birds chirping, man. I ain't got to go out this early in a minute. Start off with that, baby. Been winning, baby. Like Gainer Mountain up that way. That one hit it. All right, first one in the morning. Little one, I seen you. I didn't do it. Decent. Oh, yeah, nice. Good fish. Oh, he's fighting good too. Look at that. Man, you got a fight on him. Nice. Yeah. One of the best fights I've had all year. Dude, that's close to a pound. Yeah. That's what happens. Got it? White bass. Huh. That's wild. And that's my first fish of the day, a little white bass. Hit the plopper. Oh yeah, nice. Nice little small. Quarter pounder. I love the way they fight, man. Ain't nothing like it, dude, especially when you're catching them off the top like we are. Yeah. Oh no! Dude, I just lost my bait. I have no idea where it went. This junk line I got, man. Oh. Look at this old sun-faded bomber I found. Crazy thing is the hooks are still good on it. What? Let's see if I can catch a fish on this. Look at that. That was insane. I cannot believe I just caught that. That guy followed it right up to the bank. That was insane. Dude, this don't look like it's deep enough either. That's what I need. Yeah. Well, I think it's like damn. Too damn. Nice. Well played. Little pocket held a little quarter pounder. There's that spot. I wonder where that is.
Fucking poop.
Yeah.
Mud bug. See ya. Nice spot. Probably just sitting there waiting on. There he is. Oh, the camera wasn't on.
Oh my.
It's all good. This one is.
Hey. It's Babe Ruth it.
Hit it too as soon as it hit.
That's insane.
Caught this little guy right here in this slack water where the current slack's right there. It's a decent fish. I didn't have this camera on though. Right out in there. Dude, the lure just hit the water too. Woo. Babies are quick. Sheesh. I'm coming, man. Oh my God. Oh, 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 oh.